The case study method is central to how we teach at ISB, driving critical analysis, discussion, and decision making. The Center of Learning and Teaching Excellence facilitated a workshop to go by the Harvard Business Publishing to support our faculty in sharpening these skills. The session was a timely refresher on the fundamentals of the case method and explored how AI can enhance case teaching, both in case preparation and in the classroom. We also discussed how simulations can be debriefed using the case briefing principles.
So my name is Peter Bryant. I'm an adjunct professor at IE Business School in Madrid, and I'm here on behalf of Harvard Business Publishing at the beautiful ISB campus here in Hyderabad. We live in a world where we see increasing questions about reality, about truth, about the human nature of our experience and keeping humans in the loop, as it were. And so I think the case method, in terms of being experiential, participant-centered, problem-based, connecting our learning with realities, is in many ways more important than ever. And we're also introducing new materials which will help keep it alive. So I think the relevance is absolutely there.
When I saw this plan that there is a workshop which will be conducted for the faculty, I was quite curious on what will be covered. But I signed up primarily because when I saw the agenda, I found the agenda very, very exciting. And having gone through now almost the entire day, I feel it was worth staying back.
For me, it was very eye-opening. How you control the class, how you control emotions, and how do you steer the class in a way you wish it to be.
So I've been teaching cases for many years now. In fact, my course is entirely about cases. And it was an opportunity to be on the other side and listen to Professor Peter about how you teach using cases, right? Maybe introduce shorter cases, maybe make it more engaging by doing some cold calls, maybe, and there were some great ideas about how do you make the students come prepared to class, maybe have short assignments, but then how do you make it more engaging for everyone? I got some very important tips that I can go back and implement.
I think a lot of faculty leave the workshop thinking, I can do this. This is doable. I feel empowered. I feel more confident. I'm going to try. So I think making that shift to realize that this is absolutely something we can do. Another is to realize that there are lots of different ways to do this. It is a much more interesting, varied and dynamic process, and we've got lots of new tools. So I think one of the ahas is all of the new methodologies and modalities. I think another aha is the relevance. The relevance that the case method, that experiential, student-centered learning really addresses some of our fundamental concerns about the way in which information and pedagogy is evolving in today's world.
I would say that it was an excellent workshop and is good not only for new faculty. I think the faculty who have been teaching for several years, I think for everybody there was something new.
ISB, like many schools, is demonstrating a wonderful commitment to increasing the capabilities and the repertoire of faculty to engage students in learning, and seeing the case method and other methods as a really important focus for faculty development. So I congratulate you for doing that, and I'm very, very proud and privileged to be part of that effort.